Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and unbox few things which I purchased on Amazon for my studio, and even these things can be used by you also on a day-to-day basis also. Examples for mounting projectors and all that stuff. You can be using this, and it's very less price. Trust me on that. But before starting, I just have to check one more thing whether my camera is working. Let me check that. Okay, this is my webcam which I'm looking at, and this is my main cam. We will make a comparison video on it. That will be the next video. Which one is better, the webcam or the main cam? We will go ahead and do that. So let's start with the unboxing process. Okay guys, these are the three products which we have. One is an tripod which we'll just unbox within seconds. And this tripod which we have got over here is just for about 300 bucks, which I got this for. So it's kind of inexpensive. So anyone who wants a tripod badly to mount their mobile or projector, you can go for this. And it's a very sturdy tripod. This is the second one I bought because I had to give my first one for a projector in my own home. So let me just pull this out. It may look small to you, but it's a 7 feet tripod. Let me pull it out and show it to you. So as you can see, this is the tripod. This is the tripod. As you can see this clearly over here. And this is 7 feet one. You can just loosen the holes over here and it will go till about 7 feet in height. And to open it, you just have to open the legs one by one. And 7 feet is a very good tripod, and it's a very sturdy one also. You see, it's pure metal and it's very good. So for a webcam or anything, you can use this. For projector, for any mounting purpose, you can use this. So we will keep this aside now, and this is for 300 rupees on Amazon. Now YouTube doesn't have links, so you can try this on Amazon yourself. Second one is from Anchor, a flexi cord I ordered. I do have a lot of junction boxes over here, like you can see. So I never can say like I don't need a junction box because it's our daily bread, the junction box. So let me just open this. And let me open this off. So this one is a very long junction box, as you can see how it is. So it just kinda looks broken, but let me just check. Once I pull the wire, what happens? Okay, I do have to fix it like this, so it gets fixed. That's the only thing over here. That's the one thing I like about junction boxes is it gets fixed automatically. You don't have to do anything. And you see, if I start pulling this, it comes as the cord automatically. And we can test it out, but later on we'll do that because I'm just unboxing few stuff over here. Okay, the final thing which I'm unboxing in the small video is the most important one. Everyone needs an extending wire, and you need a high speed one on that. And this one came for around 300 bucks on Amazon from RTS. There's a second wire from them I'm buying because the first one was good, and this one is for 5 meters long. As you saw in my previous video, like I do have systems across the room from one monitor to another monitor. I do need a lot of connections, and this one is about 5 meters long. So you can see how big it is, and it's type A to male to type A female. USB, and it's 3.0, so the speed is also 5 gigahertz in it. So it's kind of good. These are the only three things I had today to unbox and show you. I did have another stuff, but I did unbox it long time back. So let's go to the main video. So if you saw the camera was a little glitchy, I do have to go ahead and do the wiring for that later, and I will do that. But thank you for watching so far for the small unboxing session over here. Until next time, this is Kamal, and please do subscribe for the channel. And you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.